The 3 weeks alongside of the Giro d'Italia have been for New Holland an incredible journey and an amazing itinerant celebration. On all 21 stages of the Grand Tour, New Holland has followed the best cyclists of the world on the roads of Hungary and Italy, starting in Budapest, going on up to Sicily, and then all the way up to the beautiful Verona, where we are today. Throughout the weeks of this exciting competition, we have shared moments of pure emotion with the many fans and the rural farming communities. Cycling and agriculture share the same fundamental values: dedication to sustainability, innovation, determination, and passion. Cyclists develop a unique relationship with their bikes, just like the farmers with their New Holland machines. The Giro d'Italia has given us a great opportunity to bring together these two worlds, cycling and farming, and put the spotlight on this very special relationship. As the competitors cycled across the Italian countryside, where the Giro enjoys an enthusiastic following, we mirrored their progress with a parallel demo tour, stopping in rural areas along the route to meet customers and let them test drive our machines. During the journey, the cyclists have gone along with two very special tractors that embody the key values that we share with the world of cycling. Their Maglia Rosa livery that emulates the iconic leader's jersey, the T5 tractor has honored the courage and sportsmanship of the great riders in the race, and our T6 methane-powered tractors has highlighted the dedication to performance and sustainability. The Giro d'Italia has been an ideal platform to give visibility to New Holland excellence and celebrate agriculture, sustainability, and the people. It has really fired up our customers, dealers, and employees who have participated enthusiastically in all the initiatives we organize through the sponsorship. Stay tuned because there is much more to come.